Hi Aquarius, this is your next 10 days reading. I'm going to take the day of today, that is 20th of August to the 29th of August. I'm going to look at the energies that are going to be around you that will affect you and how you are going to cope with these energies. I'm going to talk about that. So I I have taken out some tarot cards for you apart from the spread which is in front of me. These cards are embodying some of the general or the overall energies that are there. So, the first energy that I got out for you, random energy, is of Nine of Cups. So either you will be working towards Nine of Cups or you will be getting Nine of Cups in the next 10 days. So Nine of Cups means wish fulfillment in something. So something will be fulfilled for you. I see that lucky situation for you, independent decision making, and some kind of luck will be favoring you, which will give you a sense of fulfillment, emotional happiness. That is what I am seeing. So beautiful card to get as a random energy. I am also getting the King of Swords. This is your own energy. You will be the King of Swords. You will be that person who consolidates his or her energy very logically, and whatever problems they are facing, they try to solve it. So this is this problem solving energy of logic. So you will be using your mind in something. So mind is going to be the main important characteristic at this time, and logic will be your, you will be at your logical best. So that is what I see. So as you go forward, your crowning energy is showing that you have got the Six of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. So lot of work related situations are cropping up for you. You will be having a kind of balance in your monetary situation. That is what I am seeing. Some of you will be receiving money, some of you will be giving money for things. Collaborations will take place, help will be around you, people will rally around to help you. Some financial situation is important for you at this moment, something to do with money, something to do with work, which I see, and it is a favorable situation for you. So as you go forward, I see the Eight of Pentacles over the King of Pentacles reverse. So something went wrong for you. Something went wrong for you in the past. So you have to redo a situation. That is what I see. Some of you are relearning, retraining, rebuilding something which went bad. Something didn't happen for you. That is what I am seeing. So something that you were expecting didn't happen, so it is on your mind. It has to do with proposals, lucrative proposals. So you are having a relook at that. Some rejection of some kind took place. So it could be a big thing for some of you, it could be a small thing, or you are dealing with a King of Pentacles, could be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, who is around you, who proposed something and then backtracked. So a situation of making efforts is going on to convince them to make this situation better or whatever it is. So basically this is the situation you are feeling. Somehow you are giving up on this situation. I am seeing that you are losing all faith and all trust in this situation, and you are losing it. You are trying to give up on this situation. Okay, like, I forget about it, I'll forget about it, I'll make my own strides, I will go forward. If the King of Pentacles is not if it is a person, then you are giving up on them. If it is though you are making your efforts, I don't know where you are making your efforts, but somewhere you are giving up. So there is a kind two kinds of energies, like I am giving up on some responsibility right now. So this is the kind of mindset. But you are working on your own pentacles, you are working on your own financial situation, own money situation, making efforts to make a proper acceptable situation in work, for yourself to maintain your stability, but on someone else you are giving up, or some situation you are trying to you are feeling that you can't carry it on. So it could be in love, it could be in job, it could be in some proposal or a deal, wherein you are giving up. You are going to be this king of wands energy here. Though in the beginning the king of swords came, but that's what the angels are asking you to be. But you will be in this king of wands situation. This person does not like taking other people's responsibility, other people's problems. They don't want to be bothered, because they feel that they do lot of the things themselves. They look after the family, they contribute, they are loyal, they are honest, they are leaders, and they feel that they do everything completely. But why people are making demands on them? So at this point you will feel this restless energy in these next 10 days. So whatever it is connected to that, to this feeling, you have this feeling inside you. So as you go forward, you will be in this three of wands, wherein you'll be waiting for something to happen. It could be a proposal that you are waiting for, it could be a deal you are waiting for, it could be a job you are waiting for, it could be some money that you are waiting for. So the money will come in, the money will come in. A few days will pass in this energy, this positive energy of seeing, almost feeling the thing which is coming to you, and it will come to you. The new offer will come to you. It could be in love. If you are waiting in love, positive waiting in love, and a new proposal coming in, a new beginning coming in. If it is in job or money or a situation related to general life, something will work out for you for which you were waiting. So as you go forward, there is six of cups. Six of cups means love situation, happiness, joy connected to your past. So some old memories will come, nostalgia will be happening. You will be either in relationship with a Piscean or a Cancerian, Piscean, or Scorpio energy, mostly Piscean. So you will be, in the beginning of the reading, you were giving up on something, but then, this feeling will start happening. You will draw upon your past experiences and you will work out something with this person. Could be a king of wands who is maybe not your energy, or this person is in your vicinity. It could be your boss, could be your spouse, could be someone who a lover could. So there is this energy of the king of wands and the six of cups. So the king of wands again with the six of cups means that something will take you towards harmony. Something will take you towards harmony regarding a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So it could be that as well, or a Piscean. You are feeling drowned with responsibilities with with a Piscean, or another water sign, and you feel that you don't want to take responsibility, but you are loyal to them. You are loyal to them. That is what I am seeing. So whichever sign is around you, the basic energy here is of harmony after the nine of wands reverse. So as you go forward, this is happening. So the strength and the hermit is also showing. These are two major arcana energies. This is showing that in this period you will show subtlety in handling situations. So you will be held back, you will be in your solitude, you will be using your wisdom to handle a certain situation which is cropping up with this fire sign or with some water sign around you. So you will work out this situation expertly, and you will be able to make logical decisions regarding an affair, love affair, regarding a job situation, regarding a family situation, or overall general situation. So subtlety in handling of your affairs with wisdom and patience, that is what I am seeing. So if you are waiting for something with the three of wands energy, you will will show subtlety of your action, and things can get fructified. So that is what I'm seeing. So your outcome energy is saying that you will be having a result. A result will come to you regarding your monetary situation. You will feel wish fulfillment in money. You will find yourself appreciating the abundance that you have created for yourself. So a good situation is happening. This also shows a comfort zone. This also shows that you would like to be in your comfort zone. You would like to remain in the gilded cage where you are. So basically, uh, you will be going back on a decision. That is what I am seeing. Some responsible decision that you wanted to take, but it could be regarding a love affair. So I'll be doing your love reading without in a few days, but this could be a love situation wherein you would not want to get out of your comfort zone. And it could be your job situation wherein you had to decide on a certain thing, but you are going back on that, not deciding in favor, because you are happy where you are. So basically, you are going to realize some money in this 10-day period, or a new offer wherein you will be appreciating that, but you wouldn't want to change it in any way. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying some of you want to move on from something, and some of you will be moving on from that, because I see the fool's card here. So fool card and 8 of cups is showing that something was not fulfilling your wishes. So you would want to take a leap of faith. You would want to move on from a certain situation, which could be very very pioneering decision. Someone never thought that you can do that. You will walk away from something. You will find your new path. You will take initiative towards something. That is what I am seeing. So whatever it is, your world situation is happening. This is Aquarius card. This is success in one mission and going towards another thing, because the success has been got. The new beginning is happening regarding something, and now it is time to travel. Now it is time to go towards that new world which is beckoning you to find another goal. So 8 of cups is also shows that even if you are successful in a certain situation, but somehow it is not of what not satisfying you, you look for another goal, another destination. So this kind of situation can happen. A chapter can get closed automatically, or you will close, and a new cycle, new situation will start in your life. So that is what I am seeing. So this is a successful situation which can happen for you. That's what angels are saying. So if you have to handle something subtly and get out of something, it is a great situation. You can do that. New offers will come in. Take that opportunity. And people will help you in this. People will help you in this. And you can also think of new ventures, new travel, new initiative in your life, because the world situation is happening. The changes will happen, transformation will happen, and a new level will be around you, wherein you can grab that opportunity. So that's it. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. If you want a personal reading, if I have not addressed something here, you can book a reading with me and have a session with me. These are exhaustive sessions, paid sessions. So you can pre-book this. So you can leave in a request in the comment box for such a reading. And people who are missing out their readings, please do subscribe to the channel. I will also put in the playlist of August month for Aquarians. You can take a look at some readings which you have missed. So that's it. Bye bye.